In pregnancy, there is no clear universal accepted definition of obesity. However, a maternal weight of 90 kg is considered to the upper limit of the normal. ठीक है, 90 kg के अगर ऊपर वेट है मैटरनल का, तो it is considered as the upper limit of the normal. Body mass index expressed as weight divided by height in meter square is better guide. Ideal BMI should be between 18.5 to 24.9 kg per meter square. Arbitrary cutoff point of the BMI more than or equal to 25 किलोग्राम per meter square. Arbitrary cutoff जो होता है BMI का more than or equal to 25 kg per meter square and more than equal to 30 kg per meter square are considered as overweight. तब हम overweight बोलेंगे, ठीक है, ओवरवेट एंड ओबीस, ठीक है, रेस्पेक्टिवली. अगर मान लो जो हमारा नॉर्मल है, नॉर्मल बीएमआई का रेंज आपका 18.5 से लेके 24.9 केजी पर मीटर स्क्वायर है, ठीक है. अगर आपका बीएमआई 25 केजी पर मीटर स्क्वायर से ऊपर हो रहा है तो दिस इज कंसिडर्ड एज ओवरवेट, ठीक. अगर आपका बीएमआई 30 केजी पर मीटर स्क्वायर से ऊपर हो रहा है या इसके इक्वल हो रहा है तो यू विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज ओबीस, ठीक है. ये बीएमआई भाई निकलेगा कैसे? ये बीएमआई निकलेगा वेट को आप हाइट इन मीटर स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दो, ठीक है, बीएमआई आपका बॉडी मास इंडेक्स आ जाएगा, ठीक है. देन वी हैव टू the obese patients have got adverse effect on the obstructive performance. The obesity lead to the development of the type 2 diabetes, dyslipidemia and hypertension, ठीक है. The patient feel uncomfortable, become dyspneic on exertion. Medical complications like the hypertension, both essential and the pregnancy induced, are increased. So also gestational diabetes. There is difficulty in diagnosis of the presentation and in the hearing and the fetal heart sound. Fetal macrosomia हो सकता है, as such there is more need of the sonography. Increased risk of the miscarriage, fetal malformation and especially the neural tube defect. Post maturity is also common and others. Intrauterine fetal death and the stillbirth हो सकता है. Effect on the labor, there is increased incidence of the abnormal uterine contraction and prolonged labor. The operative inferences and the cesarean delivery is increased, so also difficulty in the cesarean section. The shoulder dystocia is likely and and anesthetic hazards, difficult intubation are high. Purpurium में तुम्हारा there is increased chance of the peripheral urinary tract infection, PPH, and deep vein thrombosis, poor wound healing and lactation failure. Prenatal, that is morbidity and the mortality are high. There is increased risk of the fetal neural tube defects and the macrosomia infants, IUGR, stillbirth. Management, the cases are considered as high risk group. They require adequate antenatal supervision and mandatory hospital delivery. Fat and carbohydrate should be curtailed in the diet. There is increased insulin resistance. Obese women should limit the weight gain to less than 8 kg. Then there is no need of the weight loss during the pregnancy. During the labor, the shoulder dystocia should be kept in the mind for the macrosomia. Early mobilization and the heparin prophylaxis is given to prevent DVT. Contraception, that is oral contraceptive, has got high failure rate. IUCDs may be an option for further. ठीक है, इसके साथ हमारा ये ओबेसिटी का पार्ट खत्म होता है इसमें इन द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रेगनेंसी.